I wanted to shoot a quick video over to you as you're scrolling through ClicksGeek's website and let you know you don't need to go any farther. These are the guys you need to talk to.
So if you're looking for an AdWords management team, ClicksGeek is the one to go.
What we do is we buy and sell mobile homes, and I had been running a campaign myself and did all the things that I thought about, did some Facebook ads and didn't have very good results, and I feel like I wasted a lot of money.
They've been able to help out quite a bit. If you're wanting to be able to grow and scale at a fast rate without any hindrance of trying to, go through all the beginning steps of, building your own team and learning all the systems and putting in the SOPs necessary to be able to grow and perform and deliver for your clients, hiring ClicksGeeks is going to definitely be able to help accelerate your process there.
When I first started, in my marketing journey, I only did websites and SEO for these pressure washing businesses. And so sometimes they want leads immediately, and we know that SEO can kind of take 6 to 8 months, so PPC is a great solution. But for me, I did not feel knowledgeable or comfortable enough, selling it and providing, great results for my clients.
Like many other agencies, I've tried a lot of different white label solutions here and there, but I just want to say ClicksGeeks is awesome to work with for white label, AdWords work.
We do SEO. Pay-per-click is something that we're not as educated in, and this is where Ed and the team at ClicksGeek really come in handy, and it just have helped us get real results that have really helped our clients and make us look good.
They explained everything to me. I bugged the heck out of Ed, and he actually put together a video to kind of ease my mind and show me what they're doing, and I trusted the guys, and we upped our ad spend, and I spent more money than I really thought I ever would, but the results are awesome. We've closed 3 deals. We made a net profit of $26,000, and I'm very happy with what they've done for us.